हेलो पब्लिक, वेलकम टू टेक रेडर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको यूएस प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन स्टैटिस्टिक्स 2024 सोशल मीडिया डेटा के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। यूएस प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन स्टैटिस्टिक्स 2024 सोशल मीडिया डेटा। With the help of social listening data, we are taking the look at how the 2024 US presidential campaign are resonating with the online audience. Table of content: how to key campaign movement shaped by Republic sentiment. Who was more talk about Harris and Trump. Each campaign is resonating more with different demographics. American pop culture and the 2024 elections. What does this mean for you, and what can your brand learn from Harris versus Trump? Disclaimers. Here at Horsus, we are expert on social media trends and conversations. And right now, one of the most prevalent conversation is every corner of the internet. And at almost dinner table, it's the upcoming 2024 US presidential election. Today we are pulling back in the curtain with the help of Hootsuite listening, powered by Talkwalker. We are taking a close look at how the two candidates, former President Donald Trump as Vice President Kamala Harris, are performing on social media and what business can learn from their campaign. How key campaign movement share public sentiment. Sentiment has shifted throughout the presidential race. All thought in the social media sphere, neither candidate manage to break into net positive sentiment. Posts have gone viral. Memeable movement have encouraged against and again, and the world unprecedented has become a key part of the current cultural discourse. Below is a look at each candidate's sad sentiment, all thought out 2024. The change in sentiment reflect each campaign pivotal moments. July 13, attempted assassination of Donald Trump. To July 18, 15 and 18, 2024, Republican National Convention. To July 21, Joe Biden withdraws from the presidential race. August 2, the announcement of Kamala Harris as a new Democratic nominee. August 6, the announcement of Team Vaz and Harris running mate. August 12, Trump joined Elon Musk for a virtual chat hosted on X, formerly Twitter. August 19 and 22. 2024 demographic national conversation. September 10, the first presidential debate between Harris and Trump hosted by ABC News. October 1, the vice presidential debates between the West and once hosted by CBS News. October 5, Elon Musk joined Donald Trump at the rally in Butler, PA. The location of the attempted assassinations of July 13, 2024. October 20, Harris' 60th birthday. October 25, Trump interviewed on Joe Rogan's podcast. October 27, Trump closing speech at Madison Square Garden. October 29, Harris closing speech at the Ellison, Washington, D.C. Who is more talking about, Harris or Trump? According to analyzed keywords related to Donald Trump generated nearly 50% more results than more related to Kamala Harris. To visualize that, almost 3 posts mention Trump for every 2 posts mentioning Harris. But not all results are positive, and analyzes the sentiment over the past 3 months show that the majority of social media posts referencing other candidates are negative. When using social listening Politicals and brand alike should be aware that an insidious metric, e.g., the number of results without contest, e.g., sentiment can't be used to accurately measure success. Each campaign is resonating with more different demographics. Hot-suit social listening tools can track data at a very granular level. You can include a breakdown by age, gender, or even location down to the cell state level in your analysis. For example, are Gen Z voters more exacting about a certain candidates in Georgia versus Nevada? Are female identified voters posting more about a certain campaign in Arizona versus Michigan? What is each candidate's sentiment is key swing states. Below you can see also social listening analysis of sentiment and mentions separated by age group over the past 3 months. Harris has most positive sentiment in the 65 plus age group, whereas Trump has more positive sentiments amongst all other age groups. When slicing sentiments data by gender, the candidates' score don't differ widely over the past 3 months. While Trump has more positive sentiment amongst male identifying social media users, their two candidates are almost even the terms of net sentiment, which is negative amongst female social media users. American pop culture and the 2024 election. Whether presidential candidates like it or not, having the world eyes in your 24/7 give the internet plenty of meme folders. As are taking a look at how people culture have been interacting with the currently ongoing presidential campaign and vice versa. Taylor Swift versus Elon Musk. Both campaigns have enjoyed numerous endorsements from big names in politics, art, sport, business, and more. Dick and Chase Cheney, Roberts F.E. Kennedy, Jr. the Obama, and numerous members of the Senate have all publicly show support of their cousin candidates. The support expressed by pop culture figures has also created an influx and conversation on social media when Taylor Swift and Elon Musk endorsed Harris and Trump respectively. The internet went live. Well thought. If would be fun to see which celebrity endorsement generated a bigger immediate bump in online mention. The above chart shows result that mention keywords related to both Trump and Elon Musk and Harris and Swift within the same post. We filter to the array of each endorsement July 13th of Musk, September 10th of Swift to get a snapshot in time. Our data shows that Elon Musk had a bigger pull than Taylor Swift on social media. Musk, the Trump generated 239.9k result on July 13th, whereas Swift and Harris generated in 176.5k result. Both endorsements follow big campaign management movement, the assassination attempt of Trump and the presidential debate fueling social media momentum. Kamala is BRAT. The Harris campaign jumped on a viral trend, the movement and launched by embracing the pop culture impact. Charles XCX 2024 album. Prior to Kamala issue, the Harris campaign official account on X quickly created a manner that mimicked brag styling. While there are over 60k result on social media for posting monitoring both Kamala Harris and Brad Charlie XCX was once again eclipsed by Taylor Swift, who more than double Charlie's numbers with the endorsement of Harris. Viral movement of dogs and coconuts. One of the most viral movement of the year presidential race according to social media data was Trump sentiment during the September 10th presidential debate. They eating the dogs and they eating the cats. The term quits and went viral. The social media inspiring remix, TikTok audios and meme. Similarly, the Harris campaign was assembly kicked off by a click for a speech the vice president gave in 2023 at a White House speech. She said, "We think you just fell out of a coconut tree. US is in the context of all which you live in, which came before you." Listening data shows, interestingly, that the clip's viral surge began before Harris became the official nominee. If it started gaining traction on social media following the president's debate between Joe Biden and Donald Trump, and only grew for more popular as her campaign for president officially kicked off. So it went to most viral over the past 3 months. Data doesn't lie. They eating the dog generated almost 10 times more than the result. Harris, what does this mean for you? And what you can your brand learn how to Harris versus Trump. As you can see, social media overcalls the world. Data online social media strategy and side Meta today. Disclaimer: the purpose of blog and social media including the data naturally affect impression and engagement. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.